Hey everybody, it's that classic 60 minutes question. It's 4 a.m. Do you know where your mechanic is? This one's at the shop early. Just getting started here on InterstateMadeMe's project and I cannot sleep. So parts have been ordered for this truck. We got pretty much everything. All the ideas are kind of mapped out, written down, and we know what we're doing. But we do have one lingering question that we been scratching our heads over. And this morning, Jermail, he asked me if I got the chances, would you go in and take some pictures and show me what it's going to look like if we changed all the watermelon lens on this from being amber and red to clear lens. See, due to a mess up in the ordering, he thought he was going to do colored lenses, and we were sent all clear. And so, you know, maybe that's something we want to do. But I decided, well, rather than just send a couple pictures of it with some clear lenses, thought, why not get everybody's opinion on this? So let's look at the truck as it is now with the colored lens, and we'll see what everybody thinks, whether we need to do colored or switch it over to clear. So we got bumper, fender, air cleaner, cab lights, mirror lights. Got lights at the back of the bunk. We got lights on the bar under the bunk. And we'll have tail lights as well. So I was going to turn all these lights on, but apparently something was left on. We drew the batteries down. So this morning I don't think I'm going to bother. The one issue that we've had with the colored lenses is when they make the glass, they can't get the tint in the glass to be perfectly consistently uniform on every lens. And especially up there on the roof cap, but also on the air cleaner, you get a row of them, and we've had to play with the lenses, swapping them one for another, because you end up with a light lens and a dark lens, and it makes the lighting a little less uniform. And so if we went to clear, we'd get away from that problem. That is kind of appealing and tempting, but is that worth it? Is that the look we're going to go for? Keep in mind, the new build, when we get this done, it will have bus glass instead of the traditional glass. So it's subtle. This thing will look slightly different with the rebuild, but that's a big question. Amber or clear? Alright everybody, we swapped out some lenses. Let's see what everybody thinks. Clear on the bumper, fender, air cleaner, on the cab. Now, I didn't want to waste all day doing this, so it's a two-face effect right now. Do we like clear lenses on Jermail's truck? Or do we like the collared lenses? And keep in mind, we are going to have bus glass in the cab when it's all said and done. But I think this gives everybody an idea of what we're looking at. What do we like? I'm going to release a poll here at the end of the video where everybody can vote on it. You can give reasons for your thoughts in the comments, but everybody vote in the poll. Let us know what you think, and we will eventually decide what we're doing here. Remember everybody, class is class.